Hello, everyone, and this is Reggie Williams with Stock Talk. This video, I wanted to go over short squeezes, right? So we had a big thing now on short squeezes. This something has been part of my strategy for a while. If you've been watching my videos, I've been talking about my short squeezes I've been following, and then my process just recently got accelerated this week with exposure to short squeezes and everything that was highly shorted just got the shorts just got out of them and the stocks just ran up. So if you are looking on how to do shorts or to find short squeeze stocks, I'm here to help. All right. Now, if you don't know what a short squeeze is, that's a whole nother video. Well, this is for people who actually know what a short squeeze is and you're trying to find stocks that are the next short squeeze. So what I do is I go to this website called FinViz, FINVIZ.com, and they have a screener, right? So you click on screener, and then to find shorts, you go to float short, right? The float, you want to see the float is, and go all the way down to the lowest number, which is 30. Let's get rid of this thing, which is over 30, and boom. And even better, if you can find one with earnings date, right? So next 5 days within earnings, and we have one. So let's keep an eye on that. I haven't seen that one yet, so I'll check it out later. But hey, that's the chart. Ooh, it shot up too. So it may be too late on this one. We'll see. But typically, what a short squeeze will do is if you do it on earnings, let me show you what'll happen with Stitch Fix. With Stitch Fix, they had earnings come out here, right? So it was on the short squeeze list. It came out here, bam, shot up, right? Went from 36 to 50 bucks, ran up. I sold right around here because it was just so extended. I said, let me get out of this thing, man. And it just kept going because I was expecting it to pull back. Actually, right here where we had this first pullback, that's where I actually got out. And it just kept going, man. And especially because it's outside of Bollinger Band, I was expecting it to come back down and bounce off here. It just kept going and then hit here. Then it came down, rested, boom, 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 boom. And then now, January 12th, ran again. Wow, look at this pattern. Boom, boom, boom. It staircased up. Boom, boom. And now these last 3 days kind of screwed it all up, right? With the short squeeze issue and Robinhood locking accounts and all that. And so Stitch Fix has retraced down a bit. But this is a classic like short squeeze right here. This craziness, man. This whole boom. You eat a long time off of that right there. So that was a really good move. Um, so that's what that does. So now I'd also have a short squeeze list here. Get me out the way. And so this was my short squeeze list. I made really good money off of Bed Bath and Beyond. So now everything is retracing. So I'm kind of probably going to sit out this month when it comes to short squeezes. But if you're looking for short squeezes, this is the information. You go to finviz.com, screener, short float over 30%. You don't have to put earnings dates. You can do any, and this will be your boom, your top shorts. And what I usually do is hit volume. I like to arrange it by volume. So the highest volume, exchange, and then shorted. And these are all your short stocks. Of course, AMC and GameStop going to be in there, and then this thing has commercials. And so this is your list. So that's how you find it. My name is Reggie. I am a swing trader. I look at chart patterns and I trade chart patterns. I trade different strategies. I adjust to the markets, and I usually keep you guys updated when I find little gems. I've already released a couple of videos with my stock picks for this week. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated when I find these little gems. So they are time sensitive. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you on the next video.